Go to Home, click on Product, then open Items. Select the item where you want to add multiple variants. I'll choose Americano for this example. When you scroll down, you'll see the Add Variants option. Tap it. In Option, enter the name. For example, amount of espresso. In Value, type Single Shot, then press Enter. Type Double Shot, press Enter again, and save it. Fill in the prices for each variant, then save the overall item. Another example is Momo. Here, we will create two options. For the first option, enter type such as chicken, buff, veg, and so on. Then add another option below and name it cooking style. In the values, enter steam, fried, and chili, then save it. After that, set the price for each individual variant combination and save the item. Now, when taking an order, let's say Momo, the user must select both options, flavor of the Momo and the cooking style. For example, veg Momo, steam, then tap Save. Add another item like Americano. Here, the user will select only one option because it has a single variant group. A ticket with variants has now been created successfully.